Channel Study Point. Today we are going to discuss the very important topic which is tenses and their use. So listen it very carefully because this topic is very important क्योंकि ये टॉपिक आपको सिर्फ आज नहीं बल्कि बहुत टाइम तक काम आने वाला है because in every sentence you speak tense is hidden. Okay, the word tense means time. So tense का मतलब होता है time. Kinds of tenses. There are three kinds of tenses: past, present and future. Past tense जो काम हो चुका है, present tense जो अभी चल रहा है और future tense जो होने वाला है. Like he did a work, he is doing a work and he will do a work. So he did a work मतलब वह एक काम कर चुका है और he is doing a work वह एक काम कर रहा है और he will do a work वह एक काम करेगा. Okay, so four forms of these tenses. So there are four forms of these three tenses. Simple, it indicates an action. Simple हमें एक action के बारे में बताता है. Continuous, it states an action in progress. वो एक ऐसे एक्शन के बारे में बताता है जो अभी चल रहा है. परफेक्ट स्टेट्स एन एक्शन विच इज कंप्लीटेड. परफेक्ट हमें बताता है कि कोई जो एक्शन हम कर रहे थे वो अभी कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एंड परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, इट स्टेट्स दैट अ एक्शन स्टार्टेड इन अ टाइम एट पास्ट बट इज कंटिन्यूअस टिल प्रेजेंट. यानी कि कोई काम था जो शुरू हुआ था पास्ट में बट वो अभी तक चल रहा है. सो यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट फॉर दिस because this topic is really very important. We have some formulas for simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So we have simple past, subject plus verb second form plus object. So we have an example also for this. I worked. So I is a subject, verb second form which is worked and object which is common. Sometimes object doesn't come. So present, simple present, subject plus verb first form plus ses plus object. I work or she works. So here I or she is a subject and verb first form plus s or es like works. So s is added here plus object. Future, subject plus will shall plus verb first form plus object. She will work. So she is a subject will and verb first form work. Now we have continuous tense here. Continuous, past continuous, subject plus was verb plus first form of verb plus ing and object. If we are having object, it's okay. Not having, it's also okay. So I was working. So I is a subject, was and verb first form was work and ing. So I was working. Present continuous is subject plus is am are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. So I am working or she is working, they are working. Next is future continuous. Subject plus will shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. She will be working. So she will be working. Now we have perfect tense. Past perfect, subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. She had worked. So she had and worked third form. Now present, subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object. So she has worked or I have worked. Next is future tense. subject plus will shall plus has plus have plus verb third form plus object. Now she will have worked. So she will have worked. So has have, you can choose one. She will have worked is now here correct form. Okay. So you can perfect continuous. In past, perfect continuous formula is subject plus had plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus since or for plus object. So subject we have like I had been working since 2 p.m. Okay. I had been working since 2 p.m. Next is present. Subject plus has have plus been plus verb first form plus since or for plus object. So I have been working since 2 p.m. Next is future perfect continuous. Subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus since for plus object. So she will have been working since 2 p.m. So we have subject, will shall, have been, verb first form ing and since plus object. So we have everything here. So you can take a screenshot. Now we'll meet tomorrow with a second part of this chapter, tenses and their use. Till then, revise this because this is very important. Thank you.